Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Know Your Fit. So today we are going to talk about how you can use Instagram for business purpose. And the very important and first step is to get an Instagram business account. Also, you can convert your personal profile into a business account. The second important step is define your target audience. That means if you are a dietitian, your target audience will be the people who are suffering with lifestyle disorders or the people who are looking forward for a nutrition advice. Also, you can conduct a competitor's research and compare how your audience vary. The third step, create your content calendar, because even on your unplanned events you will be able to manage posting your regular content, and also make sure that you post or publish when your followers are online for an organic reach. So the fourth step is optimize your Instagram profile to do business. That means write a great bio and give people a reason to follow you. Also add relevant information so that people can contact you directly. And here we go with our fourth step. Always share high quality content related to your field. The final step is explore other formats like IGTV, Reels and Live. You can go live for your target audience to make a good connection. So follow these steps to do business on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Know Your Fit. Stay fit, stay healthy.